Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinx and I'm super excited to have you guys back here. Today, we'll be checking out a very interesting free plugins that I believe you will definitely like. It is called The Masker. The Masker by LIM, which is Laboratory of Music Informatics, is a freeware mixing tool inspired by the popular Track Spacer plugin by Waves Factory. This plugin is developed by students of the Technologies for Music Production in Milan, Italy. The Laboratory of Music Informatics from Milan University, located in Italy, has released a collection of free plugins developed by students. And among the free plugins they developed is the Masker. And today we'll be going through the features and as well have a brief demo to hear how it works. And also to add, each free plugins on their website is safe from malware and should work well in any mixdown scenario. So, the Masker simply analyzes the sidechain signal and applies dynamic EQ corrections to the audio target to alternate overlapping frequencies. And also, this plugin is available for both Windows and Mac. First, we need to set it up. Now, for FL Studio users, like myself, when I downloaded and installed it, I encountered a problem. But lucky enough, I figured it out. So I'm going to share what I did. The problem I encountered was when I installed it and loaded it on the channel, it was lagging my computer for no reason. And on the CPU meter, I wasn't seeing anything. There is no load on it. But when you play it, you hear this cracky kind of sound. So let me quickly show you if you encounter the same problem inside FL Studio. I don't know about other DAWs, but just for FL Studio. So the first thing you will do is to go to this gear knob here and click on this one, head straight to the settings. At default, you will notice that, let me quickly reset it and show you what I mean. So let's reset this and let me turn off this. So when I play a sound, you will hear what's gonna happen. Everybody knows. So you get it now, and that is not good. And when you look at the CPU meter, it's not reading any load on it. So how do you fix this? On the settings panel, come down to latency, choose set in samples, and choose the buffer size you want. For me, I use 512. Then after that, head down to troubleshoot and make sure you activate use fixed sample buffers. Yes, and voila. Everybody. Alright, so having taken care of that, the next thing is how to set it up inside FL Studio, because how this plugin works is you need to sidechain the channel you want to use it on. Let's say I want the vocal to dominate the key channel. So I need to sidechain the vocals to the key and then insert the plugin on the key channel. So for those who doesn't know how to sidechain in FL Studio, simply click on the channel you want to sidechain and head to the next channel you want to sidechain it to. Right click there and choose sidechain track. Okay. Now on the key channel, just insert an instance of the Masker, then head back to the processing panel, as you can see, and under the sidechain, choose vocal. What this means is that you want the keys to receive information from the vocals, and that information is what it will use to process the key, like to dock it, or depending on any other thing you want to use on that sidechain. Okay, but in this case we are trying to dock the frequencies that are masking with the vocals. Okay, so after that, go back to the UI of the plugin. And another thing that is so cool here is that you can expand this to any size. I'm not sure, but this is okay. Let's try it quickly. Let's see how far it can go. Oh wow. Okay, so as you can see, which is pretty cool. All right, so now let's have a demo and see how it controls or dock, by unmasking the frequencies that are clashing with the vocal that are existing in the keys. Everybody knows that all I do is sing. And looking at the UI, you can see they have the input knob, which is the dry input, and this is the processed output. And here they have the sidechain level, which allows you to boost or attenuate the sidechain volume entering the effects. Now below is the maxed frequency. You can use this to vary or review either the maxed or the clear frequencies. Now here is the clear frequency knob, clear up slider that controls the range of the frequency spectrum being affected, more like the Q. And finally, the amount knob, which is the mix knob, is used to like blend the dry and the processed sound, or use the entire processed sound, more like the parallel effect stuff, right? So that's pretty much with a huge display window here. And as you can see the in signal, which is on white, sidechain, which is on yellow, delta, which is the main processing, then the outputs. All right, so let's quickly have a listen. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. That all I do is sing, is sing. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. And if you noticed, the clear frequency is used to set the frequency, the targeted frequency you want to either bury or review. And the cleanup, when you take it to the far left, is docking more of the low end. Just check this out. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. Just look at the delta information, which is this line in purple. Everybody knows. And when I take it to the right, it docks more of the mid information. Everybody knows. All right, so let me quickly set it to my taste and we'll listen to it for the very last time. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. Everybody knows that all I do is sing, is sing. Everybody knows that all I do is sing. Alright guys, I believe you heard it, though it's a little bit subtle, but if you're on headphone, trust me, it's making a huge difference. And I really like this plugin, to be very honest. Though it's still in beta version, maybe by the time they release the final version to be more and more, effective. But I'm not saying it's not, it is, but you get what I mean. So it can be used on anything, drums, any instrument, not only on vocals. So guys, that will be much for this amazing track spacer alternative. called The Masker by the students from the university in Milan, Italy. So if you enjoy this, the link will be in the description for easy download. Leave a like, share your thoughts. Maybe I missed out something. Let's discuss in the comment section. Subscribe and remember to turn on your notification bell for videos like this. As always, guys, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.